Hi, Bill White here. Okay, today I'm going to show you two different ways to install plugins. So as you can see, I have my site set up and I want to add the plugins that I always use. The first one is we're just going to go to our site administration, plugins, and install plugins. Now there are a couple ways. I usually install from the plugin Moodle directory, so you click on that and it will ask you to log in. If you haven't signed up, please log in. Sign up and log in, sorry, and if not, sure. Log in. Okay, and once you're logged in, then you can search for the plugins. I happen to have my favorite plugins, and my sites are also listed here. Some of the ones that you can see, okay, Moodle benchmark and whatnot. So let's do the Moodle benchmark. Okay, so simply then you just click install now, and then whatever one you are doing, okay. And then install now. And then it will ask you to install. This is probably the easiest way. Make sure everything is okay. And then it'll tell you my site will not have HTTPS as I am on a local network. I'm running this from a Raspberry Pi. And then it will ask you to do that, and you just click upgrade. Then it will run through, and then you just click continue. And now you see that it's all set. Go back to your site administration. And if you go into plugins, you can just do plugin overview and then just look for additional. Those are the ones that you installed yourself. And then it's right here and it tells you everything you need to know. And if you need to add plugins or such, okay. Another way to install plugins is if you already have it downloaded. Again, you just go into your plugins, plugin overview. I'm sorry, no. Plugins, install plugins. Okay. And then it just asks you to install it from a zip file. And then, so another one I like to use is block sharing cart. I just drag and drop. And then follow the same things. It's really simple. But if you can install plugins, these are the two easiest ways you can do it. And so now, all set. And then you can just add them as you need to, however you want to use it. This asks you all the different things you want to do. I'm just going to leave it as default, but you should check what you need. Okay, and then I can go in here, and so now like for the benchmark, I could go into my reports, and then here's benchmark, and then I see that it's installed and I can run it. And so just an example of what it does. Okay, it just tells you your score of your site. Another one is the sharing cart. That one you should go through one of your sites, and then you just click, and then make sure editing is on. If it's on, then you can just add a block, because the sharing cart is a block, and then it's added here. And then, so you know your plugins have been installed. So those are the two easy ways, either directly from the website, or if for some reason you cannot do it that way, you can download them and then just put them as a zip file and install them. Those are the easiest ways to install plugins. I hope this was helpful for you, and happy Moodling.